What is up, everybody? We are here at the slough, right past the bridge right here downtown Salem. We're gonna get into some fish. We got Israel with us. This place was too good last time to pass up again. So Israel just got back from California, and I think we're gonna be hitting this place as good as we can. We're gonna dissect this place. Last time I was slamming them on the spinnerbait, so I'm hoping to do that again. I did lose the gold spinnerbait that I was using, so had to run and grab a couple of them. So we got it all packed up right there. Got our rods with us. We are set. We got 4 rods. We got a jig, we got the spinnerbait, we got a crank, and then I think we got a swim bait on one. So we're gonna be throwing everything. I think we're gonna get a big one today. I'm working to try to get past my PB. We'll see if that happens. Israel, I'll be happy if he gets into a 5 today. We're trying to beat his PB. I think it's 411, so I think we're gonna beat it today. Wish us luck. Let's get out there. Let's get a fish. All right, we got that little bait set up right now. Trying not to get pushed away by the wind, but it's doing a pretty good job at keeping me back from these areas. My buddy and I, last time when we were here, we didn't start getting bites until we got really like into the trees, like really good back there. There's some really good cover for some bass. Then I kind of did a little gamble and went to the right side. There wasn't too much cover, but there was a lot of weeds, and that's where that big one was hiding. So it said something. I got a couple more on that side, so they're everywhere right now. Just got to find them. All I can say is don't be scared to toss your lure into some crazy areas, because sometimes those crazy areas will be where those big behemoths are hiding out at. Even if you kind of get snagged up a little bit, you know, if you're willing to take that chance of snagging your lure up, then I mean, take it. If you're not trying to be that risky, then I would say just do what you can. But like I said, if you're not too scared of losing your lure, I'd definitely try to throw it in there. I gotta stop recording. I stopped recording. I don't know why I pressed the button. I thought I wasn't recording, but I was recording. Got this little guy. Just a little itty bitty dude. Not nothing too crazy. I can't believe that. Dude, I pressed the button because I thought I wasn't recording. I stopped my camera. Well, we got him nonetheless. First little guy of the day. Thank you, my friend. Get a little good luck kiss. Let you go back in there. Boop. Oh man, don't get into these trees though. Well, first fish of the day, guys. Came right on the spinnerbait. So now, I think what I'm gonna try and do, I'm gonna put the spinnerbait up for a second. Start tossing with a little bull shad for a little bit. That sucks. I can't believe I stopped recording. Just my luck, right? Just my luck. I thought I wasn't recording, and well, that just cost me. Wasn't expecting that hit either. It's pretty crazy. Well, Israel just had one. Popped off his hook right at the yak. Freaking sucks. He's definitely gonna get into more. Why don't you use your other rod then? Oh, got one. There it is. Man, came over that log. Oh my, get in here, you little son of a gun. Woo! Oh my God. Putting in work with that saucy, or with that little shimmer shad right there, man. Just putting in work. Oh, come on, calm down, man. Calm down. Just gonna give you a little picture for myself and then see what's going on. This little guy just got it just now. That little shimmer shad's doing in work right there. That, bam, nice little chunk. He's a little chubby one too. Look at that little chubby guy. Pretty awesome. He came right over this little log that's right here. I was going to actually pull my line right over it because I didn't want to get stuck in it, and then it slammed it right there. Pulled him right over. Let's get a quick picture real quick, and then we're gonna let this little dude back where he was at. Sorry for the long little wait there, guy. Had to get my phone. Let's get a quick picture. Heck yeah. Thank you, little dude, for letting me catch you. Freaking awesome. Boop. There he goes, man. Freaking awesome. All right. A little more adjusted now. I like this more. Oh, we got one. We got one. Man, right when I switched that. Oh, look at that little guy. Boop. There he is. There he is. Catching a lot of dinkers, dude. It was right on that log. I don't know if you guys see that right there. Just kind of hanging out right there. That little dude. Good smelling bass. Let this guy go. Boom. What a splash. Give it a 9.8. Give it a 9.8. Israel got one on the jig. Trying to jig a little bit too, so.
What do you want? Why are you here? What are you doing on the river? You're black and silver tile. It looks like a bullet. What are you doing? You don't know? Better not be out there. What are you gonna do? Go out or in? Are you gonna go out? Go out. We'll die united and stand against your disease. Now. Left, right, 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 right. Left, 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 yeah. Go, come on, sail. Is there a sail? 99, I'm walking. Like, hurry, get there quick. Wipe it down. We're gonna buy something 996. Yeah, 50,000 other ones up.
I don't know if any of you guys heard that craziness just going on. Lady, she was, I don't know what she was doing, but all different kinds of stuff. And then she started telling me about a sale at Walgreens. So I don't know if you guys could even make out anything that she was saying, but I find it better just to ignore them. And I just got caught up. I think some guy showed up and kind of scared her off or something because he went right by her and she stopped talking. Oh man, craziness. But you know, it's I guess the chance you take trying to come out here. Oh, don't break my pole. Ready to see that? I got stuck right here. Well, let's try and get back into fishing after that, whatever that was. Got him. There we go. There we go. Got it. Pretty decent one. I think we can boat flip him. Oh no, that's a pretty good one. Oh, I hooked my freaking finger. Oh, that hurt. Oh, let's get him in. Oh man, dang, that hurt. Shoot, man, the hook went right into my finger. Freaking little bullshit got me. Went to go reach back for my net and I missed it. Well, that's pretty awesome. That came right off that little branch right there. I watched him just slam it. Come on, let go of it. What's going on here, buddy? There we go. We got that off. I guess we're gonna post up right on this little branch right here real quick. Oh, could've. All right, I guess we'll get a little weight on this guy. Whew. See what we got going on here. Really wish I knew how to, I don't know how to erase that bottom number. It was like a locked in number and then I saved it. I needed to look at the, I'm probably gonna have to look at the menu or something. See what's up. Just go to the next little scale. That way it doesn't confuse any of you guys, because sometimes all those numbers are just all over the place. So let's get this. See what's going on. Not too bad. Lock it in there. Little 1.8. Not a huge one. Pretty decent though. Still a fish. Snap a quick pick, and then let this guy go on his way. It's got a little chubby belly on it too. This is the fourth one of the day. Yep. All right. Got that picture. Let this guy go. There he goes, right under the yak. Oh, it's in that tree. Get out of there. Oh, we got it. Got it with a jig. Got it with a jig. Trying to get it off all these branches. Get in here. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think I did not hook him in the mouth. Poor dude. He swiped at it and I snagged him like right there in the head. Poor little dude. I'm sorry, man. You'll be good, I hope. Got him right there in that little spot. I thought there was something there. It looked like a juicy little spot. Let this guy go. I think I did enough damage to his poor little head. Get out of here, buddy. Oh, he is feisty. He's pissed. Probably made him mad. Probably didn't want to. Probably went for a nice little bite and then didn't expect a jig to the head right there. Well, finally got one on the jig. That is good. Got one. That's a chunk. That's a freaking chunk. That's a good one. That's a good one, yep. Oh, dang. Oh, come on. Oh, man. We just got a freaking big chunk. That's a big one. That's the one we're going after. There we go. That's the one that I wanted. See if I can get this hook out of it. Cannot get that hook out. I gotta get my pliers. What a freaking chunk, man. All right, we got the hook out of her. She's all good. She's got a little bit of a boo-boo right there, right at the nose, but at least we got the hook out. Messed my hook up pretty bad. I'm gonna have to check the damages in just a second. I might have to switch to another spinnerbait. So I'm gonna get this scale. We'll get a weight on it. See how big this one is right here. Let's see. Ooh, that's a lot better. Let's see. Not bad. 2.15. Not a bad. All right, let's let this big girl go. I think she's suffered enough. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. I'm gonna throw a spinnerbait in there because there's a lot of trees, a lot of lay down. Maybe that'll be another big one. Try and get over here, get along this bank right here. Got it. There's one. Oh, that's a chunker too. That is a chunker. Oh my god, I almost lost another one. It's another chunk. Another chunk. Come on. Yeah. Oh, we got it. We got it. We got another chunk. Oh, that hook came out. Dude, look at that. Yeah, dude, another chunk. All right, nice. Not bad. Get a weight on it. Snap a quick pick. Get back to it. See what's going on here. Got the scale zeroed out. 2 point. Another 2.15. Come on, man. Look at that. 2.15 right there. Locked it in. Dang. Cookie cutter of the last one. Get a quick picture. I'm gonna let this big mama go. She's another fat one. She's hopefully she keeps the slough with a lot more giants like her. Yeah, there she goes. Got it. There we go. Oh, that's a big one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh. Oh. Dude, that's a toad. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at this big girl. Look at that. Oh my god. Dude, look at that. Oh my gosh, we're gonna get a weight on her right now. This might be the biggest one of the day, guys. Let's see. Zeroed out. Oh, yep. Biggest one of the day. Let's lock it in. There we go. Locked in at 3.3. It's a big one. That's the biggest one of the day. 3.3. Not bad. Not a bad fish at all. Heck yeah. Thank you, fish. I wasn't even gonna cast there, and then I thought I got stuck. So, not a bad fish. Pretty good. I'll take it. That's another big chunk. Look at that belly. Let's let her go. It is crazy. She is gone. Man. That is awesome. Spinnerbait always coming in clutch, man. Just especially in this slough right here. Tried everything else here. Nothing else worked. Except for the spinnerbait. Tried a couple other lures. Spinnerbait is the one that they're going after though. I think it's just because the visibility here is pretty garbage. So, not so good a visibility. Nice fish though. Very, very nice fish.